Have you ever wondered why is your listening not improving? Even though you listen to English contents every single day. I had the same problem. And the truth is, I was wasting my time without realizing it. So when I started learning English, I immediately jumped to advanced contents. I immediately started using advanced materials like podcasts, motivational videos, and the people who speak an advanced level. Because I told myself like I was learning very fast and I was ahead of everyone. I just thought that the things, the materials, the contents that I'm using right now is putting me ahead of everyone who are learning English, okay? Just thought I was with this mindset. But in reality, I was barely learning anything. Then one day, I decided to analyze what I was listening to, the podcast, the advanced stuff. And I turned on the subtitles. I was focused. I gave my full attention to that video to understand what I was watching, okay? Then I realized that I almost understood nothing. And that's when I realized I was listening passively, not learning anything, okay? I was listening, but that activity, that passive listening was not helping me. This is when I realized the importance of listening actively, okay? The advanced materials helped me. Not that much. I overused them. I had to use them, but not that much. I did this mistake. I wasn't analyzing it. This was the mistake. I was just listening for the sake of listening without analyzing, without sitting down one place and writing down all the new vocabulary and learning it. After I figured out my mistake, I decided to use this strategy. So whenever I start listening to podcasts like Andrew Huberman or whatever, like motivational videos, whatever, before I start listening to that podcast passively, I would listen to the 5 minutes of that video effectively, okay? In a very focused way. So here's how you should watch the 5 minutes of the podcast. The 5 minutes, you should just listen without analyzing anything. Just listen, just turn on the subtitles and listen the 5 minutes of that podcast from the beginning to end without touching anything, okay? And after that, write down all the new words and check out the meaning of the new words. Learn everything. Learn every single new thing in that 5 minutes video, okay? Then you gotta rewatch that video like you did when you watch it for the first time, and that's it. And you are free to watch the rest of that podcast just passively while doing other things. Listen, I wasted months to skip the basics. You don't have to. Start at the right level and you'll actually improve faster.